What's up, everybody? So I thought I would give you an update. I'm sorry I haven't put one up. It's been about a month, but I had a problem with the carburetor. I ordered it on Amazon, and the place that I ordered it from, for some odd reason, they don't include the gaskets for the carburetors. Unbelievable. So I got the carburetor in, and I did look around. I rounded up some gasket material, and I got it back here. It's not the best cut, but it's got everything sealed up in there, so hopefully won't have any leaks. I guess if it does start leaking really bad, I guess I'll have to order a gasket kit. Nobody around here has one. So they're telling me to use the gooey gasket maker in the tube, and I don't really want to use that stuff, but I guess I'm being picky. But anyway, got the carburetor on, and I got the fuel pump, got it situated, got the lines pointed which way I want to take them. Got the breaker points assembly going in here, so got that all cleaned up on the inside. So that is where we are at the moment, and this is kind of what I'm thinking tonight, this evening. I'm going to have to change these wires. These are just looking terrible. So this is the trigger module switch, and we did run the fluke on that, and it's still showing continuity, so it should still be a good module. So that's what we're hoping. And I'm gonna have to change these wires right here. I kind of debated, went back and forth, but they just look pitiful, so I am going to change those out. The wire here that goes to the coil assembly here goes to the spark plug. So that's kind of what we're doing. So sorry for the delay, but just wanted to give you an update on where I'm at. So I'm going to change the wires out and get those reset. And then, oh yeah, I tried to take the old muffler off. That thing is just ragged. So tried to sprayed it with some Aerocroil, and man, it's still not budging. And I don't want to, this is aluminum in here, so I don't really want to bust it up. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to take a bandsaw, cut that right there, do some threads, try to run the pipe down this way so it'll come out under the frame and it won't be blowing up here on top of the engine. So we'll see how that works. That's where we're at the moment, and just wanted to give you an update. I think I will go ahead and cut these wires real quick so you can kind of hang out and see how that, see it right there. So let me take those off real quick, run those wires through, see what we got. Leave that one on there so I'll know where it's going. So bleed this one through. And got that one. I'm going to take this one so I'll remember where it goes. I'm just going to plug it up back to the coil assembly so I'll know where that one goes. Probably need to make me a little tab and mark that. Let's see if I can find a piece of tape. Hopefully I won't knock that off. So let's do this real quick. Coil assembly. Alright, we got that one marked so I don't forget. Alright. There we go. This is the one that's kind of confusing me because I'm afraid if I pull this one out that I'm going to lose my spot here. That is, I don't even feel like it's holding on to anything, so I may have royally screwed up just now. Go. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. All right. So this wire that was on the trigger module, and these wires go down in behind the flywheel right here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. I'm going to have to think about that. And I don't want to pull that thing off. So probably just reattach that, I guess. Take my chances and see, because I don't want to start pulling all these wires out. Because evidently there's I bet it goes to where this pulley can turn for the outside PTO if I needed it. So I don't know. I think I'm just going to wait. But we are going to redo this one at least. So run that one back through, and there's 2 wires hooked to this thing for some reason. And I'm not sure why. So that's where we're at. It's a slow go, but once we get this set up, we can get it back on the frame, and I will get some tires as well. Put the new tires on, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.